Mark is working on patching up a hole in the drywall. And there's a little bit of a drywall where he's gonna cut a piece off. Anyway, so yeah, this is where the alarm used to be in the bedroom. So we're gonna, we're doing little bits here and there. Kitchen, bathroom, bedroom. While we're inside, we're just getting all these little jobs done, and hopefully it'll all come together. And I removed all the wallpaper from the kitchen. It wasn't that bad a job. The kitchen one isn't too bad because the walls were painted before they put the drywall in. So yeah, here we go. And I did try to clean the window a little bit, but yeah, it's better than it was, And Mark did change a couple of the outlets, the one behind the fridge and the one just beside it there. And of course I have some fig cuttings starting. So now the bathroom wallpaper is a whole lot uglier because there was no paint on this. So where there was just strictly the drywall paper's coming away with it as well. So this is going to take a lot longer to do, but the shower itself is cleaned. We will floors scrubbed as much as we can get them scrubbed. Not bad, not great, it's usable. This will be our most usable shower while we totally renovate the other one. Tear it out. So this one's just a nice quick shower. And of course the little fig cuttings that I took in the spring, was it? Yeah, it must have been the spring. Are doing beautifully, and I'm very tempted to put some of these in the ground. I also have some basil that is still doing well here. As soon as you get a frost, the basil will die though, but for now she's still doing quite awesome. So, and looks like she's going to give me some seeds as well, which is good. I will harvest seeds. Oh, and this smells wonderful. Wonderful. Okay, so I have one fig tree there. 1, 2, 3, 4 shoots in this one. Let's see if I can do this. Yeah, I've got 4 shoots in this one. This is a lovely one that I definitely would like to plant in the ground. So 4, 5, 6, 7 healthy fig trees. Unfortunately, they're all the same type of fig, but there, my big old fig tree there, she's losing all her leaves.